Hey guys, welcome back. So we wrapped up on this gorgeous 2024 Contender. This one's a 35 ST model and it looks absolutely phenomenal now that we finished with it. So to kind of give you a rundown, we did a lot to this boat, a lot. So it had 3 good sized chips in the gel coat. We did a repair on those. Moving on from that, we repaired the skeg on it. The middle section had like rubbed against the sand. It removed the paint off of it, so we went ahead and refinished that completely. Aside from that, we polished all the metal on this boat. We did a full gel coat restoration. This is a new vessel, relatively new. It's a year old. From the factory, it's not going to be completely finished out, number one. Number two, it sat outside. It gets used, it gets fished. So we went ahead and completely removed the oxidation. I'll include a picture in here or a video to show you exactly what I'm talking about. This boat, being a year old, had oxidation on it. It sat outside. Even though it's brand new, it can be finished a lot better from when the factory actually did it. After that, we went ahead and coated the entire bottom of the boat. Every single inch of this boat's coated. Top side's coated, motor cowlings are coated, interior's coated. We even coated the boxes on this boat. Every single thing is completely done, including a full trailer detail. So we also climbed on top. The entire T-top has been coated top to bottom, as well as the radar. I'm gonna take you guys in so you guys can see it, and we'll see you guys soon. Once again, thanks for staying tuned. Bye for now.